Hi, this is Carmen from Mani Design Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful little stars. They're approximately 3 inches, 3.5 inches wide, and they're made with this gorgeous yarn from Hobbii. It's Rainbow 84 Glitter Christmas Hobbii, which is available at the moment, and I will leave a link in the description box. This yarn is cotton with a little bit of a glitter thread going through it, which, as you can see, creates the most gorgeous little effect. These little stars only take minutes to make. They're very, very easy, and once they're made, I highly recommend that you block them. I just use my ironing board and some pins, and you can also soak them in a little bit of glue if you want a watered down glue, and leave them to harden so that they will stiffen. You could use them to hang on your tree, or what would be beautiful is to create a little garland by just chaining a long chain and joining them each as you go along at the top. But you could use them for so many things, for presents, for gifts. You could use them to decorate your presents, and they're extremely easy and quick to make. So what you'll need is some of this beautiful glitter yarn from Hobbii. I have 5 colors here, as you can see. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook. You could use a 3mm crochet hook if you prefer, and you'll just need your scissors and a little darning needle then for weaving in your threads. So let's make a start. The first thing you will do is you will chain 5. And join to your very first chain with a slip stitch. You will chain 3 and into your ring that you just made with your chain 5. I just hold my thread behind me there to make sure that I can cover it with my stitches. I will make 1 double crochet. Your beginning chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Chain 1 and make 2 more double crochet into your ring. Chain 1, 2 more double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2 double crochet, chain 1 again, and your final group of 2 double crochet. Sorry, that thread gets caught. Chain 1 and join to the very top of your beginning chain 3 with a slip stitch, and that's the center of your star. We now need to get into the first chain 1 space, so what you will do is slip stitch into your next stitch and slip stitch into your chain 1 space so you're ready for the next round. So for round 2 you will chain 6 and you will slip stitch into your next chain 1 space and chain 6, slip stitch into your next chain 1 space, chain 6, slip stitch into your next chain 1 space, chain 6, slip stitch into your next chain 1 space. I forgot to mention one of the lovely things about this yarn is it has a center pull ball. I love a center pull ball. It's so much easier to use. Chain 6, slip stitch into your next chain 1 space and a final chain 6, and you will join into the first chain of your beginning chain 6. So that's round 2. And as you can see, we have our center and our 6 chain loop spaces the whole way around. And for your final round, round 3, you will do this series of stitches into each chain 6 space around. The first thing you'll do is make a single crochet, then a half double crochet, double crochet, a treble, chain 3, treble, double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet, and you will make that into each chain 6 space around. That forms the little peak of your star, and when you block that you will see that it will stand up and get much firmer. But as I said, if you use some PVA glue watered down to soak them in and leave them dry, it will make them even stiffer. So into our next chain 6 space, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble, chain 3, and back into our treble, treble, double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet. Now I've completed my 6 points of the star. Just as a reminder, into each 6 of the chain 6 spaces, into each one of the chain 6 spaces, you will do a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble, chain 3, treble, double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet. And when you're finished, you can just join into the very first single crochet that you made. I usually just pull up my loop on my hook, insert my hook from the back of the single crochet in that way, grab the loop and pull it through. And then at the back of the star, put your hook through the loop you pulled through, grab your tail and pull it tight. And then you can just weave in your threads, and there is your star. And here's your star blocked. As you can see, it looks more firm. And I hope you enjoyed this video of how to make these sweet little Christmas stars. And you should check out this gorgeous yarn from Hobbii. It's beautiful to use. I can think of so many projects that I could use it for. I think it would make some great Christmas baubles. If you want to check out my Christmas bauble pattern, you can see the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.